Hello friend, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ROG Destrier Ergo gaming chair. So friend, ASUS ROG Unveils Futuristic gaming chair with immersive gaming experience, and friend, it has introduced its latest gaming chair, the ROG Destrier Ergo, and friend, this chair boasts a futuristic cyborg-inspired exoskeleton design and versatile seat setting that are tailored to provide maximum comfort for gamers. And it has a mobile gaming armrest mode that can be raised up to 14 cm, making it perfect for gaming on the go. And it is crafted from high quality materials such as an aluminum frame, breathable mass, and comfortable PU foam, making it a durable and stylish addition to any gaming setup. And the chair also features head and lumbar support, padded armrest, and a detachable acoustic panel that shields the player from distraction and provide an immersive gaming experience. And the panel also helps reduce noise levels, allowing gamers to contrast and immerse themselves in a gaming world. And if I talk about the pricing, the retail price of this chair is 899 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.